Howdy y'all, Tom Zort, the Rogue Attraction here. It's been a long time since I've been on Guardians of the Galaxy, and guess what? I'm finally going on again. It's been like months. I know. I think it's almost been a year. No. Wait, I came on when I was here in January. So it's been about a month, or a couple months. It's still been a long time. I've been here at Epcot quite a few times, so it seems odd that I have not gone on this ride. So I bought a lightning lane today. Sorry, a little tongue-tied. But we're gonna go on. 7:05 with my ride time, and hope you guys enjoy. All right, a little bit of an odd thing. There seems to be more people lined up for the lightning lane than virtual queue. Virtual queue wasn't available when I came in. A little bit of a queue out here for lightning lane. Kind of interesting. You figure the group like 95. This is a good volume ride. I don't know why. I don't know why it's still virtual queue. I thought when Tron opened, it would turn to standby with lightning lane. I'm having a hard time saying that today. I'm sorry. Honestly, that took no time at all. But here we are in the Galaxarium. There's still no one inside this building. I think they could allow more people in. This thing's empty. So there's a virtual queue on that side. The lightning lane. This could house a lot of people. I don't know what they're doing. My only thought is that they're trying to push lightning lane purchases and keeping this virtual queue for an extra year or 6 months. I don't like it. I don't. Well, here we are in the first pre-show room. It's very purple. That's all I gotta say about it.
I am Nova Prime Irani Rayab, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people, so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of Epcot. Epcoters. Epcotians. Citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on. Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Talmeric, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this. Okay? Stand by for teleportation. Here we go. course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
Excellent.
They're skipping the pre-show.
Is the color-
Everyone's skipping the pre-show right now.
See if it exists.
I don't know why, but they were trying
I'm
to
not sure.
skip the pre-show.
Our power's out. And our cosmic generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
Why didn't we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your shed.
That is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
Watching terrors from dogs.
That's not creepy at all.
His species has failed.
Wait, whoa. We didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the cosmic generator. He's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where? Some kind of mutant jump point.
It's going back to the dawn of time.
Why?
To erase an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean it's so vague?
The jump point is closing.
Hey, no, you know we're going to follow that whatever it is until we get there.
We can't. Our power is down, and I've got to get these terrors onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. I reprogrammed the shuttles to follow them through the jump point.
Wait,
What? Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the cosmic generator back. Piece of cake.
Wait!
There's King. Where's this King?
The odds are impossible,
Yep.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. I got this.
We're all toast.
First it was King, now there is toast. This plan is making me so hungry.
This plan is never gonna work. Rocket! Well? Okay, I've locked onto your vehicles.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Drax.
Good luck!
It was useless to follow me. What is that noise?
Noise. No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
Well, we're off. My beard's a mess. Guardians is always a fun time. I got no way, one way or another. Finally not Conga. I will say, I don't know if Tron's the new girl in town, so to speak. But Guardians is still probably the best coaster that Disney has right now. So it's a nice long one. It's very smooth. And once you're used to the turns, you don't really have that nausea effect that everyone says you have. So Tom Zort, the rogue attraction here, saying don't be afraid that people have fun on your vacations. Don't forget to say hi. I won't bite, but he might. Enjoy your time in the parks. Bye, y'all.